Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. Today's phrase for this week is something that I find it is quite a good sentence to be able to use. It's more of a sentence than a phrase, but we're being flexible. It's he aha, and that means what. He aha te, and that means the. Kupu, that means word. And Māori, more, and that means for. This is kind of an English-speaking way of saying this, but it's a very common sentence to hear, a question. He aha te kupu Māori more, and that means what's the Māori word for? And I think that it's a really nice way to get an easy sentence out there. It might not seem easy yet, but once you've started using it, to somebody who does know more Māori words than you. So I might say, he aha te kupu Māori more computer, and then the person might just say rorohiko, which is the Māori word for computer. He aha te kupu Māori more summer, and then they might just say raumati. He raumati te kupu Māori more summer. Okay, so I think that would be something that is good for us all to say more, because it's not hard. He aha te kupu Māori more, and then you just say the English word. And it's a good way to practice a question or a sentence. Ka kite.